Well, we're looking at something incredibly special today. We are decoding a completely fresh, super relatable, and surprisingly uncommon app idea that aspiring developers out there can literally start building right now. If you're on the hunt for a project that solves a genuine, everyday real-world problem, you are exactly in the right place. So let's just dive right into this and see what makes this concept so powerful.
Right off the bat, let me ask you, are you completely exhausted by wasting your time standing in long queues? Look, I think we all know the answer to that is a massive, resounding yes. It's a universal frustration, right? You block out time in your busy day, you commute to a spot, and then bam, you're hit with this endless, unmoving line. It totally drains you. But what if we could use tech to just completely eliminate that guesswork? Let's figure out how.
Section 1. The daily waiting problem. Think about our everyday struggles for a second. You arrive at a shop, only to find it locked up. Or maybe you miss your token number by literally 5 minutes. Or you just show up somewhere with absolutely zero idea of how big the crowd's going to be. It's infuriating. Now flip that. The ultimate solution here is real-time awareness. We're talking live status updates, the ability to perfectly pre-plan your visits, and essentially having a real-time pulse on the crowd before you even step foot outside. That sharp contrast right there, that's exactly why this idea is a total game changer.
Section 2. Meet the LiveQ app.
The core concept here is just brilliant in its simplicity. We're calling it LiveQ. The entire goal is to know exactly how much of a crowd is waiting before you even grab your keys to leave the house. Just imagine having that kind of foresight. You can check the exact waiting time, the live crowd level, and even the current token number being served at any location. It literally gives users their time back. And let's be honest, time is the absolute most valuable resource we have. Now, the absolutely crucial thing to understand here is the sheer scale of this. We aren't just talking about one tiny niche industry. This app targets the entire ecosystem of our daily lives. Think about it. Hospitals, salons, government offices, temples, restaurants, banks, garages, medical stores. These are places we all visit constantly, and they all suffer from the exact same massive bottleneck, which is unpredictable waiting times. By bringing all of these under one roof, the app quickly becomes an indispensable daily utility.
Section 3. App Interface and Design.
Picture this layout right in the palm of your hand. At the very top of the home screen, it immediately locks on to your current location. Easy. In the middle, you've got these big, clean, highly clickable category cards. So a card for hospitals, one for salons, one for banks. And then down at the bottom, there's a dynamic feed highlighting nearby busy places. That way, you know exactly what areas to completely avoid right now. It's incredibly intuitive. You definitely won't need a tutorial to figure out how to find what you're looking for.
The app also communicates information instantly by using a completely universal language, and that's colors. Green means it's empty. Get over there right now. Yellow means a medium crowd, so maybe expect a short wait. And red, that means heavy crowd. Absolutely stay away for now. You honestly don't even have to read the text on the screen. A single, quick glance at that color code tells you literally everything you need to know about your destination. The overall visual aesthetic is super key here too. The UI style is modern and incredibly minimal. Kind of think about the clean efficiency you get with Google Maps, integrating those traffic heat colors we literally just talked about, but applied to physical lines inside buildings. Then you toss in some live pulse animations to really show that the data is actively refreshing in real time. What you get is an interface that feels alive, completely trustworthy, and just incredibly slick.
Section 4. Smart AI and Features.
Okay, so let's see how this actually builds a reliable data loop. I mean, how do we know the crowd data is even accurate? Well, step 1. A user who's actually standing in line, or maybe the shop owner, updates the status, saying something like, hey, 10 people waiting, or they just upload a quick photo. Step 2. The app's AI jumps right in. It uses camera verification to estimate the actual crowd level from that photo. Then, step 3, the AI updates the overall trust score and the live meter for that specific location. It's basically a crowdsourced model that is secured by AI verification, meaning the data stays super accurate without needing massive, expensive manual oversight. But hey, it is definitely a two-way street. This app seriously empowers business owners to take control of their own customer flow. An owner can jump into their panel and instantly update if they're open or closed, change the estimated wait time, announce they're on a lunch break, or broadcast the exact token number currently being served. This drastically reduces the number of frustrated customers just crowding up their waiting rooms asking, hey, how much longer? It is a massive win-win for everyone involved.
And the features for regular users are just as brilliant. You get these smart notifications. Imagine you need to run to the bank, but you really don't want to wait. You just set an alert, and the app pings you later saying, hey, crowd is low at the bank right now. You grab your keys, and you're out the door. Plus, it includes this great family sharing feature, allowing you to easily notify your parents or friends with a simple tap saying, I reached the temple, or I'm currently at the hospital. It weaves so seamlessly into the fabric of our everyday communication.
Section 5. Business Model and Future.
Now for the big question. How does this actually make money? Well, the income model here is really robust and multi-tiered. First off, the platform can charge reasonable subscription fees for the shops that want access to that really powerful owner panel. It can also offer featured boosted listings for businesses that are looking for more visibility. Obviously, there's always room for traditional advertisements. And for your True Power users, you could easily offer a premium tier for advanced, highly specific smart alerts. All these monetization streams are deeply integrated into the core value the app provides.
And what about the growth potential? Honestly, it's pretty staggering. Just think about the future expansion possibilities here. Once you conquer those local shops, you can scale this exact same technology to massive global venues. I mean, imagine this live queue system applied to huge Dubai malls, or busy airport security lines, bustling metro stations, overcrowded tourist spots, or even the absolute daily chaos of school pickup tracking. The fundamental technology here, which is measuring and reporting human queues in real time, can be adapted to almost any crowded environment on the globe.
So, I want to leave you with this final, really powerful thought. In places like India, and frankly, pretty much everywhere across the world, people are just deeply, fundamentally frustrated by standing in lines. It is an incredibly universal pain point. By directly solving this highly specific daily life problem, this app concept possesses absolutely immense viral potential. It's the kind of idea that people would naturally share with their friends and family simply because it makes their lives demonstrably easier. The problem is out there, literally waiting to be solved. The blueprint is right here in front of you. So the only question left is, are you ready to start building it? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you next time.